Hello guys, today I am going to help you how to enable developer options in your mobile phone. First of all, goes on settings. Now here it is showing developer options. Click on that is how developer options are shown. If it's not in your settings menu, then click on about phone, then click on build number several times. Then here message will be shown to you that developer options enabled. Then you can find developers option in your settings menu, and you can enable many things in developer options like USB debugging and wireless display certification and many more things. Thank you.